whether that EMP obj we set a data. The issue is we created the EMP obj, but problem is that we cannot save that data in EMP obj. Here, just we display that data in console. Okay, first we have to copy that data in our EMP obj. So that is a problem basically. EMP obj is equal to, we can mention that what is the response is there, and we will display that data. See here, the to the lowercase is a negative because that browser doesn't understand, but that to lowercase is working properly. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now it is displayed properly. Okay. If you want to take any other record, for example, I'm clicking Sneha Vikas. Just click, that record is displayed properly. Okay. Now your task is whatever the card is present here, that card make it as a center. Okay. Right now I'm not display that card in on a center. You have to your task is display that card in this center format. Okay, and display all the data of that particular record in that card. Initially, I never display that data. Only I'm display the name, status, mobile number, and updated by or created by. It's your task to display all data in that card and make it that card. It is in the center.